Hey guys, it's Sean again with Glady Fork Customs. I'm gonna hit you with a little bit different one again today, and this will hopefully solve some questions for like-minded individuals like myself that want to buy a Chinese knockoff or clone chainsaw. So I'm gonna do an unboxing from a company named Holzfforma. This is their newest rendition of the Stihl 660 clone. This is what they call the G660 Pro. I bought the one that has like the carbon fiber hydro dip and the 28-inch bar, full chisel chain. I bought it as a kit, and the only thing I didn't buy as a kit that came with this was I did buy a 28-inch scabbard for the bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn you around and show you what we're working with here. Hold on. All right, now that I got you spun around, here is how it comes from the Postal Service. All right, I ordered this probably a little bit over a month ago, I would say. I did order it from the FarmerTech site, which is a direct link to China, so it did take a little bit longer than if you were to order from US stock. You'll see here that I opened one side. That was before I decided I was going to make an unboxing video, but I'm going to open this with you and see what we got. So hold on. All right, now we're back. I got everything out of the box, and I'm going to walk over here to show you what came with it. All right, so first off, we do have the power head. It does have this nice bigger grab handle for pull starting. That's good. There's our 28-inch bar that came with it. Like I said before, the scabbard did not come with it. I bought that separate. Your side cover comes with a gas mixing jug for some bar oil, wraparound handle. Came with a focus there. That's the chain it came with. Looked pretty sharp. I did take this out of the box and it was really sharp. Owner's manual. There's your dogs. It comes with tools, your scrunch, your tuning screwdriver, your Torx, your nuts for your bar, and the screws to attach this cool feature that it does have. It has an aluminum skid plate. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, for $400, I have to get the final total at the end of this when I go back on my email and look, but I think it was around $440 shipped to my door for a 92cc saw. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna put this thing together. Well, there she is, all put together. Pretty simple. Just install the dogs, both of those, and put your chain and bar on. That's pretty much it. The only thing I don't like is the way that goes. So I'm gonna make me a couple spacers for that way it tightens up flush. And we're gonna start her up. I'll stand yous up once I get it started, and I'll tell you how many times it took me to pull to get it to fire and how many times it took me to pull it to get it to actually run. So hold the phone, I'll be right back. Well guys, I'm back sooner than I thought. It took 2 hard pulls on full choke and 3 pulls on half choke to get it to light off. But it run pretty good right out of the box. Hold tight, I'll fire it up and let you hear what it sounds like. She cuts. Well, 1 tank in, and I cut down probably 4 trees and cut up all of those trees on 1 tank of gas, and it cuts pretty good. Probably benefit from a semi-skip chain, but other than that, I'm more than satisfied with my purchase.